Hi everyone, I'm Ken with Orion Telescopes, and in this video we're looking at the Orion Premium Telescope Accessory Kit. It's a combination of several eyepieces, a Barlow, and filters with a case to help, first of all, save you some money. If you were to buy each of these things separately, it would be a lot more than just the accessory kit itself. And also to end some confusion as to what to buy. As you can see around you, there's just a huge assortment of eyepieces and accessories to get. So we've taken some of that confusion out by putting together a good solid package that will span the range of anything you want to look at in the sky. So it comes with several eyepieces, a 40, these are all Plossels, a 40, 17, 10, 7.5, and 6.3. Those are our Orion series Plossels. Also a shorty Barlow, so not only do you have the standard magnifications, but you can double all those to take it up to very high magnification. Also included are several filters. We've got color filters, the yellow, orange, blue, red, and green. Those are good for planetary viewing, boosting the contrast on the rings of Saturn or some cloud belts on Jupiter. And there's also a moon filter as well, a neutral density. So when you're looking at the moon through a telescope, it can get awful bright. So that will knock down the light, give you better contrast, and maybe a little sharper image. All right, thanks for watching. Clear skies.